Hi, I'm Ellen. Welcome to our channel. I'm really happy to be able to share these signs with you. They're some of my favorites. And we're going to start by creating the hay bale for the hayride sign. I borrowed this footage from the apple barrel scene video, and if you haven't seen it yet, I've linked it at the end, so check it out. I think you'll really love it. Now all the steps are the same to make this hay bale. The only difference for the sign is that you're going to use 3 Jenga blocks opposed to 6. And you're going to need that wire, so make sure you put that aside and you can use it in a little bit. Wow, that looks awesome. Now it's time to plan and prep your sign. It's just incredible to see how these signs are at the beginning and then what they end up to be. I'm going to use this utility knife to change the anatomy and expose the wood so that you can stain it a little bit later. I remember when we were talking about planning the sign and we were talking about different ideas, and I said, you know what, I gotta go to Vaughn's, I gotta get some groceries. So she's like, oh, okay, I'll just work on some stuff. So I went to the store and I'm standing in line checking out, and I get a text and it's a picture of this pumpkin sign. I thought, oh my gosh, Marie, we were just talking about it. And she did that all the time. She would say, oh, well, what about this? Or we talk about different ideas, and then next thing you know, she'd whip something together and I'll get a text with an awesome picture. Just kind of how she did things, and just incredible. Now that all the wood is exposed, you're going to go ahead and use some stain. The recipe for Maria's signature stain is in the description box below. And you can make it as light and as dark as you like. Just making it your own is what it's about. We put some burnt umber down just to give it a little more detail. It looks really good. And all of the exposed wood is just going to soak all of this up. It looks just awesome. Love how these turned out. They're just some of my favorite crafts that she's made. And let us know if you're liking these signs by clicking the like button, and share with someone you think would really like them too. We really appreciate it. Adding some black if you like. It just gives it a lot of detail and depth. Now this is the fun part, where you really make it your own and give it a lot of character. We talked about making ones for Christmas, doing Christmas trees, fresh Christmas trees around the bend, something like that. and doing a similar scene like the apple barrel scene, but making it a Christmas tree lot, putting those small Christmas trees up and doing the fencing and putting little lights on there and whatever you want to do. That's the whole idea of crafting, is just making it a reflection of who you are. Now adding the white, I think, really distresses the wood, gives it that really aged look. I love how these signs have turned out. They look so authentic, just like if you were to see them on the side of a country road leading you to a pumpkin patch where they had hay rides and all that fun stuff. I feel so fortunate to have these signs on my mantle in my house. They were a wonderful, special gift from Maria to me, and I will treasure them always. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your support, and it's been awesome to be able to share these videos with you. Take good care, and until next time, bye!